Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Instacart app for grocery delivery. First, download the Instacart app and create an account. Enter your delivery address, then choose a store near you. Browse for groceries and add the items you need to your cart. When you're ready, select delivery or pick up. Choose a time and review replacement options. Next, complete your payment and place the order. You can track your order in real time and chat with your shopper as they pick and deliver your groceries. And that's it. Using Instacart for grocery delivery is quick and easy. And that's how to use Instacart app for grocery delivery. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.